When he comes, Joe in Pattaya! How you all doing? Look at this, Wednesday, 6:30, Soi Pothole. I've just had an extended lunch. There's the den. Thought we'd take a look around down Soi Pothole. Just the S1 here, great hotel. Come and have a visit. I'm a regular down here. See you, Kev. Thanks for lunch, mate. Uru. So check this out. Thought I'd give you, I'm just going home for a shower. We'll have a quick look on the way home. See what's happening down here. We had the big rainstorm this afternoon. Man, it was nearly flooding down here. But luckily it stopped, as in Thailand. The sun came out. What are they selling here? Bag of potatoes, 100 baht. No, mangoes. The mango. Look at this, I can't get through. Soi Pothole. Dangerous down these roads, and when the water's a bit deeper, it's even worse. Of course, it's only 6:30, so the bars are just starting to open up. Nom Yai. But let's hope this meeting coming up this week, they're finally going to relax some rules. We don't need the 11 o'clock closing. That's too early now. There's no COVID around. We've got to get with the program. Look at that. I think there's a YouTuber coming. Joe, Pattaya. Triangle bar. The band doesn't start this early. It's 6:30. Junie massage. We love Junie massage. Now, where are we going to go? Let's go quick trip through LK Metro, because on my way home, I will just show you the exchange rates, if you can see from there. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar's coming back up. Can't see the 43.75. Great British pound. Let's do a quick run through here. Some nights are really busy, some nights are quiet. Maybe everyone has a day off at the same time, you know. But at least every night in Pattaya, you can party. Always a party. That's the best thing about living here. You don't have to be Friday night, Saturday night. The day is hot and humid, but the rain came along. Shit, the K's reopened finally. Wow, they reopened. And that new club there is going to be huge. Seven Sins reopened. They're all slowly reopening. But look, it looks pretty quiet though. It's all girls, no phalang. Still good to be here though, guys. Where else would you rather be? Look at this. Aerobus, love aerobus for sports. Oi, Soi Mark.
Oh.
GB's Cafe Racer. Oh yes, there's a big disco there. They'll open later. Looks like they got food on. They'll be busy later. Queen Club. I mean, there's parties every night. Look at this. You want pig on a spit? You just ring, they bring. No problem. 2 pig on a spit. I love the bachelor lights. Man, look at that. They're cool. LEDs, everything's getting better here. You look at my video a year ago, this place was closed. Pandora. Even Kinkagogo. I love that little car there. I've seen it drive down the street even. What's happening in Pure Club here? They're all lining up. It's a photo shoot. Pure Club. That's new in there. Pure. Up. So as you can see, guys, I know it's 6:30, fairly early. The old Robin's Nest, now called the Nest. Some good little restaurants here. That was Harry's bar. I think it's still called Harry's. They seem to have took the signs down. Area 51. They're good in there, Area 51. Sawadee Krap! Area happy hour? Okay, I come back. I need shower. I'm on my way home. I got the 3 S's. Shower and shave. And this intersection's always dangerous, except if you're P. Joe, you just go like this. P. Joe coming through. Look at that. See? Not die. And this is the quieter end of Soi Pothole up here. Just watch the inside takers while they slow down here. Here's the doctors. Let the doctors cross the road. That's the Pattaya hospital just there, in case you need anything. And that's it, look, the new hotel. You can see it there, the Nabua, Soi Pothole. They nearly finished there. Look at the render work on the balconies. Great. Soi Boomerang looks quiet. Now this is my street, Soi 15, gonna be dug up. It's like a mud pit. We had the rain today. I don't even know if I get to my condo down there. Nature View Hotel. Look at this, see? P. Joe, no problem. That hotel there, the Amethyst, that's nearly finished too. That's a beauty up there. Cloud 9 bar, they were packed before. Hideaway. This is a new one here. I love this bar. Talks Outdoor. They seem popular lately. Look at that. They're expanding now. More tables. It's getting more busy. That's cool. Centara. That's for sale. 400 million baht. Anyone want to buy that? Nice hotel. The Grand Avenue. Million condos in there. Grandest bar. Oh, it's pizza night. 190 baht pizza night. It's the back of Arika Lodge from Soi Diana there too. Getting close to my condo now. It's going to be a mud pit up here. Order massage. Easy bar on the corner. Used to go there a lot. But look, they see here. Here we go, construction time. That easy bar, corner bar. Yeah, look, Joy. And these little bars. Oi, oi, oi. And here we go, hang on, guys. This is Soi 15. You live in this street, have a look at this. See if I can get to the condo or not. Look at the pipes, you can see the size they're putting in. You can walk through those things. They're still working up here. The tyres like working now because it's cooler. You can pour the concrete. Can't pour concrete when it's too hot. It cracks. Hey, Johnny! You see here, see? 6:30, still working at night. This is a new section, already poured this concrete here. They're going to do that section there, and that section's going to be finished. And then my condo's just up here. But look at the size of the pits they're putting in. Man, if it rained more than today, we'd be in a mud pit. I probably couldn't get through.